Today I want to share with you a delicious blueberry lemon loaf cake, one that might be reminiscent of your favorite coffee shop. I wanted to make this recipe really easy for you. So to do that, we're going to use a prepared packaged cake mix and some lemon pudding mix. In addition to that, we're going to jazz it all up with a cup of Greek yogurt or sour cream. I'm using Greek yogurt, lemon juice and lemon zest, 4 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of milk, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, and of course the blueberries, 1 cup of fresh blueberries. To really kick up the lemon flavor in this lemon loaf, I'm going to use the zest of 1 lemon. And just use your zester and get all the nice bright lemon part of the skin, and you will enjoy this process because the scent of the lemon is just going to lift you up. You're also going to need about 1/3 of a cup of fresh lemon juice. To make the cake, I have my oven heating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to place all of the ingredients into the bowl and beat them with my electric beater for about 2 minutes. Then fold in the blueberries. Now I know some people will object to me breaking my eggs and putting them into the bowl like this, but let's face it, that's the way we home cooks do it. If a piece of shell goes in there, what do? We just fish it out. The eggs have successfully made it into the bowl without any shells, so I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. My 1 cup of Greek yogurt, the zest of 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon. It turned out to be 1/3 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup of milk, and 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. And I'm just going to start to mix them together just to moisten the ingredients, so when I put my beater in there that they just don't fly all over the place. And then we're going to beat it for 2 minutes. Now I'm ready to fold in the blueberries. And to fill the pans with the mixture. And I've tried to make each pan the same as the other. So we're ready for our 350 degree oven. It's always a good idea to place your baked goods on the center rack of your oven. Again, we're at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. In my oven with these pans, it's taking 50 minutes. Let's see how the cakes release from the pan. Ooh, easily. The lemon loaves have cooled completely, and the next step is to make an icing to drizzle across the tops of the lemon loaves. Now you can, in fact, serve these plain, and many people do and will love them this way. But if you do want to gild the lily, this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to take 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, a squeeze of lemon juice, stir that around. Now, how much lemon you use is really up to your discretion. Do you want it to be very lemony? Use more lemon. Want just a hint of lemon flavor? Then just put a little less lemon in it. I'm going to use a combination of a little bit of lemon and a little bit of cream. Now you want to be careful, just a tiny bit, because a little bit goes a very long way. You just want the consistency to be drizzly. I'm going to taste what I have. Not quite drizzly enough. Could use just a tiny bit more lemon. You can see that this is an iterative process. Yes. Now you could put this into a little, like a sandwich bag and cut the corner off. But what I'm going to do is just put some on a spoon and I'm going to drizzle it. There we go. Now I have some parchment paper underneath my rack, lemon blueberry loaf with a drizzle of icing. If you would prefer to have a from scratch lemon bread, I have one on my blog and I'll link the URL in the description of this video. Would you like to use frozen blueberries to make this lemon bread? Well, I used fresh blueberries because I didn't want the temperature of frozen blueberries to interfere with the baking of the bread. I have not made this recipe yet with frozen blueberries. You could try it, but be aware that because of the temperature of frozen blueberries, it may change the consistency of the outcome of your bread.